get
Can't
straightened out
quite
here.
get it where we want it. That's right.
Well, you know, Jess watches the skies every day. He also relies on a lot of other data to create his Weather Authority forecast.
That's right. And actually, one of the things we look at, which has been around for more than a century, is a weather balloon. And our own Robyn King got to see one of those launched today.
It's a bird. It's a plane. Actually, it was a weather balloon launched Monday morning by engineering students at Vincennes University. Instruments attached to the balloon will measure the data up in the sky.
So we got altitude, we got temperature, humidity, speed, and pressure, heighting, and turbulence. You see what happens.
Only 6 people were a part of the balloon project, and even more had gathered around to see it happen. Just like a birthday balloon, it's filled with helium and then quickly released into the air. Due to southerly winds, it actually traveled north. As the balloon rose thousands of feet above the ground,
and just send it, and then how high it gets, like, you know, it really surprised me.
the engineers tracked the balloon and gathered the data live. Aerospace engineer Denzel Hinton was surprised on how high the balloon traveled.
90,000 last time I checked. They probably going higher than that.
Even though it's just a weather balloon, it's not so much about the weather. The goal here is to teach problem solving. So this experiment is set to continue with the financial support of the Wenthen Technology Fund for the fall semester. And the engineering program has high hopes for their future launches.
They're going to go for several world records, some fun stuff like highest altitude paper airplane launch, I think, and some other stuff that we'll work on. But today we'll just go for, you know, a good solid flight with some good height.
In Vincennes, Robyn King, WAWV News.
Tracking the balloon, it traveled about 50 miles northeast of Vincennes before it popped. A GPS was on board, enabling the students to locate it and retrieve the instruments to use again in the next launch. Well, she never thought it could happen.